Hello students, welcome to the StudyCare. Today we are gathering here to distribute prizes to the top 3 winners of Rakhi competition and Student of the Month. I would like to announce the name of the top 3 winners. Third, Sibling from beginners batch. Second, Soumya from beginners batch. And first, Akanksha and Soumya from wisdom batch. Why we are distributing prizes? Because these students are working hard during Rakhi competition, and to appreciate them, we are doing this. And also, we are announcing Student of the Month in every month after observing every student, such as performance, attendance, and discipline. And at last, we appreciate them by giving exciting prizes.